Professor Braithwaite, thank you very much for talking today at today's EPN meeting.
Yep.
You were talking about process steps in the procurement process.
Yes.
And particularly mitigating risk. I wonder if you could give us a quick précis of your key points from your presentation.
I have a strong point of view on procurement as a key component of the risk management process. Very simple reasons that as much as 60% of a company's revenue goes out through the purchasing function, and I think we're now seeing from recent events just how crucial it is to risk assure the supply chain against geopolitical shocks, climate, economic vulnerability, and so on and so forth. So I think the procurement function needs to become much more tightly connected with the business as a whole in terms of the conditions and characteristics of supply that apply. Basically what I've been talking about is treating procurement as a process and looking at it at two levels. The first level is the basics. So just getting the basics right, because I think very often the basics are ignored. Okay, but then on top of the basics, taking an end-to-end viewpoint and saying actually procurement needs to be part of that system design for the business as a whole, because the conditions of supply actually affect the conditions of supply to your customers, and how you think about that is a major strategic task. So I see that going forward, particularly in the current climate, as being a real strategic competitive advantage, and I see the process of putting that in place as being one of skills, organization, KPIs, as well as process, and that's what I've been talking about.